Hey friends, are you looking to learn how to make money online with ChatGPT? I know this is like so popular. Everybody's checking it out. Well, yeah, I'm going to show you why and how you really need to check it out. You're going to love it. In this video, we are going to go over some tips and strategies on how to use this powerful tool to get some cash in your bank. Whether you're a beginner or you're experienced, there's something for everyone that you're going to learn in this video. So sit back, relax, and let's get started with how to make money with ChatGPT. Okay, this is ChatGPT. So go ahead and get registered. It'll send you an email to verify and then ask who you are, and then you'll be able to get in just like that. Hey, stay to the end of this video, and I have something really cool that I promise you're really gonna love, especially if you're into affiliate marketing and making money online, which by the way, if you are, you need to subscribe because like, hello, you don't wanna miss my videos? Yeah. Okay, this is ChatGPT. So let's just say, and you can, here's some examples and stuff you can do, but let's have some fun, okay? You do new chat, top left. If you have anything, it just clears it. And let's just say, okay, if you're watching this video, you're into making money online and you probably like the book Think and Grow Rich. So let's use ChatGPT first to just help us, okay? Could you summarize? I think this is cool because I've been listening to the book. And so if you could have just like, a summary of it, isn't that cool? Like, hello. Let's say you are doing something with Think and Grow Rich, or you're doing a blog. If you wanted something like kind of to give you more, or to do it to give you the exact same information in a different way, you can do generate response. But let's say okay. And then what you can take with this, because a lot of people that do online marketing, they love this book, and I love this book. I'm not done with it. So you could take, make decisions quickly, and you could take these and put these in like a Facebook. You could make it in a quote. You can go to Canva and believe in yourself and your abilities, and you can, even put from Think and Grow Rich. You can put it in Twitter. You can put it on Facebook. You know what? I have a software that literally, like, you could create this in Canva. You can put it up there and say, I want you to post this on this, and these platforms, and it posts it all at once. It's called Metricool. I have a 14-day free trial. It's down. I'll just put it in the description. You can find it. But isn't this not cool? I mean, it really can help you create content for your business in like seconds. Let's do this. Top 10 ways to make money online. Voila! Online courses, blog. You can have this thing help you create a course, create a blog. Let's talk about a blog. Let's say we wanted to do a blog on the top 5 ways to make money with affiliate marketing. Because I'm all about some affiliate marketing, right? Okay, now we want to create a blog. Now, if you're like, well, Shelly, but I don't have my own site, etc., that's okay. You can go to medium.com. You literally can copy and paste and put it on there. Why don't I just show you? Okay, I haven't wrote it here in a while because I have my own blog. But if you click on write, okay, we have a title. Okay, this thing may not be pretty. I'm just telling you because I don't want the video to be forever long. Okay, and also once you have a blog, you can go into Quora and you can answer a bunch of stuff in there with your blog that has a link in it. Oh yeah. Now you're probably thinking just write a blog on blah, 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 blah. No, that's not what you want to do. Let's say introductory to article on now we literally just copy and paste. Copy. Paste. Now I would go in and put some pictures in it, make it all nice and pretty, all that kind of stuff. Okay, so I put write an article with bullet points on the top 5 ways to make money with affiliate marketing. Let's see what it does. Okay, so this is pretty good. So we're literally just going to copy. I like copy and paste, don't you? Okay, well my copy and paste didn't work out exactly. It messed up with numbers. I can go through, you can clean that up. But the point is we got what we needed. Okay, and then this is the regenerate response. Now what I would do, because I was going to show you how you could do like a Facebook post, but I'm real big on repurposing and using the same content, right? So you literally could take this here, okay, and put it on your Facebook page. Okay, so write a post with bullet points on the topic, the top 5 ways to make money with affiliate marketing with a call to action for a link. Let's see if for a link does it. Okay, it did it. It said click here to sign up for a reputable affiliate program and start earning money today. So we could copy this if we wanted. And okay, so I put this here since it had a call to action, and I'm going to take this out. Tell me that's pretty cool. So we need to have an affiliate link. Okay, you can go to clickbank.com. I have several videos on how you can go and you can find all kinds of affiliate information and affiliate links and stuff to promote. Or if you want, you can check out the first link in the description. It's something that you could promote. It's $25 a month. You make 80% commission, and it has step-by-step instructions on how to exactly do affiliate marketing. Then you can promote it. So if you do actually use Medium, like click here, you just highlight it, you click this right here. Like this is my link for that program. Enter. And then when they click on it, then they automatically go to your affiliate link. Okay, I went ahead and made it just a little pretty, just added a little picture, just made the bold and a little bit bigger with the heading. And it's a short one, but you could have it write a real long one if you wanted to. And we have our link here. And then if you wanted to use Medium, you would just hit publish and then publish now. Boom. Okay, so you learn how to summarize books to help you with your learning with affiliate marketing. I showed you how to use like a blog for affiliate marketing and how to turn it into where you could put it on Quora, you can put it on Facebook, you can put it on Twitter. I even told you that if you check out Metricool that's down in the bio, you literally can put it in one spot and it'll send it out everywhere. So we have stuff for you to go everywhere, right? Well, what if I told you I could give you some more? Like the video? Let's do it. Okay, this is cool. I think you're gonna like this. Tons of people are doing short form videos for their TikTok, YouTube, Shorts, Reels. But I have a lot of my students that's like, I need help. I don't know what to put to use for the video. Well, I did write a TikTok about top 5 ways to make money with affiliate marketing. Hey, TikTokers, are you looking to earn some extra cash online? If so, have you considered affiliate marketing? And then it says here, you know, how it has 5 of them. And you could even be, you could talk it, or you could even be in the video like, watch mine. I do a lot of that. And then I love this at the bottom. It says, if you're ready to start earning money through affiliate marketing, click the link in the bio to sign up for a reputable affiliate program and get started today. And it has the hashtags. Cool, right? Imagine how many of these that you could do. Okay, one more thing. A lead magnet. Everybody could use a lead magnet. You can create tons of lead magnets and tons of PDFs and all kinds of stuff for your business. Create me a lead magnet perfect for a PDF on how to get traffic to an offer. Boom. There we go. And I literally just copied it and pasted it just to a normal Google Doc. And if you go to File, Download, PDF, boom, there's your PDF. Now, if I were you, I copied this, and let's say we wanted to do more, and then you can copy that and then put it over on for your PDF, and you can do the same thing if you wanted it longer for each individual one. Pretty cool, right? Hey, you got to subscribe if you are liking this kind of content, and you ring that bell if you want more. Like the video if you're liking what you see. But you know what? I told you I had something special to tell you. What if I told you, no, this is free. It's free. Go out and play with it. But it's not always going to be free. What if I told you that that offer that I said you should sign up for, it's $25. It's $25 and you make 80%. And they teach you in the first week how to get 2 sales. So you're making $40 every month and you're paying $25. Hello. It's kind of a no-brainer, right? What if I told you this week, as of this video that's in January, what if I told you that they have an AI bot inside of that program that does the exact same thing as what you just saw, all in one place? It's the first link in the description. All right. If you like this video, then you're going to want to watch the next one because we're going to keep on going with some bot stuff. What do you think?